Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shamsa Fazal from Peshawar Model Schools. Dear students, hope you all are fine. Today which topic I'm going to explain, it is taken from your mathematics textbook of grade 2. Dear students, today we will discuss about subtraction with and without borrowing, and our objective is students will be able to solve the questions of subtraction with and without borrowing. Dear students, do you know what do we mean by subtraction? Subtraction is the process of finding the difference between two numbers or quantities, and the answer of subtraction is called difference. Now let's have some examples of subtraction. Two balls are drawn here. If I erase one ball, how many balls are left? Let's count. Yes, only one ball. So that is by subtracting one ball from two balls, we get one ball. So 2 minus 1 equals to 1. On the other hand, we have a basket in which we have 10 apples. If I take out one apple from the basket, now how many apples are left? 10 minus 1 equals to 9. Yes, so there are 9 apples in the basket. That is by subtracting one apple from 10 apples, we get 9 apples. Dear students, do you know the terms used for the numbers in subtraction? Yes, the number from which the other number is subtracting is called the minuend. Yes, the number that is subtracted is called subtrahend, and the answer we get after the subtraction operation is called the difference. Yes, dear students, remember the words which are used in subtraction. So the first one is less, left, fewer, and difference. Yes, these are different terminologies that imply subtraction. Yes, now let's find out difference of the following without borrowing. Yes, dear students, here we have some number of questions which are written vertically along with their place values. Here we have question number 1, 479 minus 8. So we start subtracting from the ones place. So in ones place we have 9 and 8. Now we subtract 9 and 8. 9 minus 8 equals to 1. Yes, now we move to the tens place. In the tens place we have only 7 tens. So now this 7 tens comes down. After that we move to the hundreds place. Here we have only 4 hundreds. So this 4 hundreds also comes down. Yes, so we get 471. That is by subtracting 8 from 479 we get 471. Now dear students, question number 2 is 344 minus 100. So we start subtracting from ones place. So in ones place we have 4 and 0. So 4 minus 0 equals to 4. Yes, now we move to the tens place. In the tens place we have 4 and 0 again. So 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Yes, now after that we move to the hundreds place. Here we have 3 and 1 in hundreds place. So 3 minus 1 equals to 2. Yes, so we get 244. That is by subtracting 100 from 344 we get 244. 44 as a difference. Now let's find out the difference of the following with borrowing. Now here we have question number 1, 56 minus 8. We start subtracting from ones place. So in ones place we have 6 and 8. So dear students, we can't subtract 8 from 6. Now what we have to do? We take 1 borrow from 5, so 6 becomes 16 and 5 becomes 4. Now dear students, now we can subtract 8 from 16, so 16 minus 8 equals to 8. Now let's move to the tens place. So in tens place we have only 4 tens. Now this 4 tens comes down. So we get 48. That is by subtracting 8 from 56 we get 48. Now question number 2 is 91 minus 46. We start subtracting from ones place. So here we have 1 and 6 in ones place, but we can't subtract 6 from 1, so we take 1 borrow from 9. So 1 becomes 11 and 9 becomes 8. Now we can subtract 6 from 11, so 11 minus 6 equals to 5. Now let's move to the hundreds place. So we subtract the tens, that is 8 and 4. So 8 minus 4 equals to 4. So we get 45. That is by subtracting 46 from 91 we get 45. Dear students, today we learn about subtraction. Subtraction is the process of finding the difference between two numbers or quantities. On the other hand, we discussed the two methods of subtraction with and without borrowing. Now, this is your homework. You people have to do page number 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65 and 66 in your textbook, and you people will also do 4 questions from page number 59, 4 questions from page number 60, 2 questions from page number 62, 4 questions from page number 63, 4 questions from page number 64 and 4 questions from page number 65. Take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe.